of Strata Control Technology, MN 6142. Welcome to our lecture number 15 on 21st January 2021. It appears a special day. This is 21st date in the year 2021. That is a 21. Now before starting the class and sharing the slides, let me know whether my voice is audible to you or not. At least one person may unmute and tell me whether my voice is audible. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now I am sharing the slide. Are you able to see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Once again, very good morning. Welcome to our lecture number 15 of Strata Control Technology for this online teaching learning process on 21st January 2020 of MN 6142. We have been discussing up to last 14 classes various of RACMAS classifications required and support design issues. Also, as a part of SCAMP, SCAMP, Strata Control and Monitoring Plan, and as a part of it, RACMAS rating and support designs. To continue further, let me also show you, especially some of the students who are not basically from mining, who have not read BTech mining, but now they are going to become masters in strata control technology with mechanical or civil background. I wanted to show to them when they are thinking about how this bolting is done, how this support is installed. I thought of showing you some video clips also here of how these designs what we do with RACMAS rating, this many number of bolts to be installed in a gallery with this much length of the bolt. And after ensuring that the type of bolt should be a resin bolt or a cement bolt, then how it is done, just for a few minutes, I would like to show you some video clips of this resin bolting, because this is a latest technology as far as bolting or reinforcement as a part of our strata control technology, whether it is a coal mining or on the whole ground control technology for the total metal mines or any excavations for that matter. So here, before showing that video clip, let me just show you that these are the resin bolts. This is a bolt, and then capsule is inserted into this, and then with the rod, and these are the bolting machines, automatic bolting machines, and this is a bearing plate, and there is a special arrangement here. My beloved mechanical engineers like our Nikhil and other people, those who are from BTech mechanical engineering background of our transdisciplinary group of strata control engineers. Here, this with the bolt,
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I on my speaker. Ye- Yes, sir. No,
सर
sir.
सुना ही नहीं दे रहा सर. Sir, come closer to the screen, sir. Maybe it work.
Yes, sir. Hello. I already unmute, sir. Already I unmuted my speaker, sir. No, sir. Yes, yes, sir. But you are unmuted, sir. In- क्या बोल? हाँ हाँ चल ठीक है सर वीडियो नो सर this is a resin bolting machine. This for using for the auto voltage. They are drilling the hole in underground coal mines. They are using how their rods are inserting. They are putting now resin capsules now. The bearing plate how is rotated to pushing the our resin capsules. Yes, and now okay. What is this showing now? This is the animation of rope bolting with a resin bolting. This is how the bolting installation at the mechanism at the roof bolting. This is the shear pin inserted inside of the roof bolt.
Halfway into the bolt with the nut.
Sir, now is audible, sir.
Very nice. So, my beloved students, now you are able to hear my voice. So, this is the mechanism of how, as I try to explain to you, the shear pin is broken after attaining some strength or binding between the resin board. And resin capsule is pushed into the hole, and then now you see how that is going inside the hole. That spinning is taking place, and that resin will come out of the capsule, and that is filling the space between the bolt and the annulus. This resin is setting so rapidly that now, after certain strength attained or anchorage, after attaining certain anchorage, no problem, no problem. This may happen. This is a part of the connectivity, online teaching learning process. That's why we have so many safety factors. Nikhil, I appreciate your interest. Have you kept this in the speaker mode so that others will hear? Very nice. So now I
Sir, you are audible with your own computer.
No problem. Then let it continue. Nikhil.
Sir, please unmute your microphone, sir.
No. Let us try this also. Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Let us continue for some time. Later I will do that. So that let us see this how we can utilize it when there is a worst situations which may happen. So this is the way how this is installed. When this is shear pin, it will not break till that is exceeding some predefined anchorage or binding strength, whatever it is fixed in that way, material and this binding also. Now you can see till that is achieved, this will be in
Please unmute, sir.
nearby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my beloved students. Now with a little disturbance, you are able to hear it. You should bear with us because this is only the option left with us in this very situation of online teaching learning process with very poor and the worst connectivity. The implementation of MS Teams. And through email also. But this you should understand as a strata control engineer we can fail. And this is a technology that is utilized and you should utilize it for any. Now you see, this has broken up. Then only it is rotating and this bolt is getting tightened against this groove. That is what is a mechanism that you should understand, my beloved students. And if you have any doubts, you can ask, because in the previous semesters many students failed because of their very poor performance. I don't want my strata control engineering students to fail. Now continuing with this, now you see how it appears. I hope I could hear my voice with little disturbance. Don't worry. And now continuing further. And full column grouted almost. And now you can understand here, I would like to explain, my beloved students, of strata control engineering, strata control technology, that we made it mandatory nowadays that it should be a full column. There should not be a gap left. And how you are ensuring that? This is very simple. You are calculating what is angular thickness. Suppose if it is 43 millimeters diameter hole, now you note down, my beloved students, with 43 millimeter diameter, 1.8 meter long bolt, with a bolt diameter of 20 millimeters. How much volume or how many cement capsule or resin capsules are required? Now you should answer me. This is very simple for even a fifth class student to calculate and estimate, right? So this is a CEP question 1. What is the how many number of these cement capsules are cement capsules of 20 centimeter length? That also you know now. Capsules of 20 centimeter length, 32 millimeter diameter. This you should calculate. Okay. If you have any doubt, and meanwhile you can also write in this one question I asked. Okay. Then from there you should determine what is the number of cement capsules or the resin capsules. Hypothetically, I have given that capsule is having 20 millimeter diameter, or not 20, I said 32 millimeter diameter, and then 20 centimeter long. Okay? If you have any doubts, ask me now itself. Then I will go further. Any doubts on the CEP question? Somebody can unmute and tell me. Can we? Yes, no. You know,
Sir,
once
that's
again,
not clear, sir.
how many number of cement capsules or resin capsules of 20 centimeter long, 30 One person should unmute and tell me. Capsules required for full column grouting. Have you noted down this? For full column grouting. Diaphragm is 20 millimeter. Dia of hole, this is equal to 43 millimeter. Length of hole is 1.8 meter. Now, CR can read this.
Sir, what is the number of resin capsules required for full column grouting? Diameter of rod is 20 mm dia, and hole is 43 mm. Length of hole is 1.8 meter.
Is the question clear?
Are you able to hear my voice?
So 12 to 13 resin cement packages.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am taking your attendance. All to respond. Respond with your status of your assignment. When assignment is supposed to be submitted? Everybody to show their face and give the attendance and their response about the assignment, what was done till now on that topic and what they could do it. Yes. Kalivarapu Srikar. Absent. Today is 21. Kalivarapu Srikar is absent. Asutosh Ray is absent. Manish Bhagat absent. Vishal as per your attendance sheet. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are hearing the voice? Manish was absent. Vishal Kumar Das absent. Chintan.
Sir, Manish Bhagat present, sir.
Chintan is present.
Manish
Chintan?
Bhagat, sir.
Manish, what was your assignment?
Sir, subsidiary.
How much material you got? What is the status?
Sir,
What
I'm
is the
collecting.
status?
I'm
What is your
collecting, sir.
assignment? What is your assignment? Your assignment topic?
Student.
You write here in the chat box. You write your
Okay,
chat
sir.
box here in the chat box. Okay. Manish is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Vishal. Vishal Kumar Das, absent. Chintan. Chintan absent. Mohit. Mohit is absent.
Present, sir. No, sir,
Mohit,
present.
what is your topic?
Sir, topic was instrumentation, sir.
Instrumentation. What you have done? What is the latest reference that you could collect till now? What is the
Sir,
latest reference?
Sir, some papers I found on Google. From that, I read
Yes,
about
yes.
instrumentation.
You tell me what is the
different-
latest that you find?
Sir, about the to measure the subsidence and the telltale instruments that I have read, and I was working on that,
is in
and
which country?
some part of it
Measuring
done, and I will
subsidence
do
in
more.
which country? In which country? Now this shows
Yes,
how much sincerely you people are putting your efforts on the topic of your interest. Right. In which country you read it? In 2020 reference. Later. Moving ahead. Karthik. Karthik Gupta absent. Jayanta.
Sir. Yes, sir.
What was your topic?
Sir, water-related problems occurs in ground control engineering.
What is the latest that you could find in your assignment topic? Till
Sir,
now?
I have collected cases, sir, from US, from Google, sir. That is the
US.
mines from US.
US. What is that mine? Name of the mine? What is the name of the mine in US?
Actually, I have
Next.
downloaded the
Next, Vishal. There is lot of information available in the Google or in the net or in the books. That is useless unless you study and unless you try to understand and unless you implement in the field. That's why any knowledge, anything is useless unless it is used for the purpose. The purpose here is strata control technology, and we wanted to understand the present problems, and that assignment also is related to your area of interest. So you should have collected a lot of information by this time. And if you have any doubt, any problem, you must have consulted me. You must have asked for any doubts, and you must have taken a lot of material from me. Because we have so many problems, not only in the world, but in India itself, as far as strata control technology is concerned. That is the spirit behind why I am asking this. Now, continue with Vishal. Vishal absent? Okay. Swadhin?
Yes, sir.
Swadhin, what is the topic and what is the status?
Sir,
Topic and your
Vishal
status.
present.
What is the topic and what is the
Application
status?
of AI and ML. Sir, application of AI and ML in strata control technology.
Very nice. What is the
And the
latest?
status is, sir, currently I am going through a lot of some research papers. Like
Not some. Now you should say
research
something
paper
about
I
that.
like a lot is
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Go ahead.
So currently I'm reading a research paper from the professors that belong to University of Shanghai, and they have done something like deep underground engineering, the use of artificial intelligence techniques.
What is the depth they have gone?
The strata control.
What is the depth they have gone in China?
Sir, I'm not read it
whatever you
thoroughly.
could
Just I
understand.
have gone.
So now Vishal is talking or Swadhin?
Sir, Vishal.
आपका तो टर्म खत्म हो गया है जी. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट स्वाति.
Sir, protection of surface features.
Okay, what is the latest? So for Vishal, now you should get
Sir.
all those informations because China is one of the country where they did even up to more than 1 kilometer depth. Okay, Vishal. So those
Yes,
things
sir.
now you should give to our group, right? And
Yes,
what
sir.
type of techniques that they are using and how they are analyzing using your artificial intelligence. But first is the understanding that problem. Why artificial
Yes,
intelligence is required in that mine as far as data control technology is concerned. Okay.
Yes.
I appreciate
Yes.
your interest. Nice. Next, Swadhin.
Sir,
Continue.
protection of surface. Sir,
Okay.
protection of surface
What is the
features.
latest that you could get it and you could understand? At least something like what Vishal said, you should be able to say something about it. And that should be in the knowledge of all our group here. That is the purpose why we selected a topic of interest. That means you collected that materials related to the topic of your interest and you will be giving that some awareness through your paper preparing in international journal format. So you must have collected a lot of information by this. I hope you understood and you appreciate the basis behind that or the spirit behind that. Okay, now next, Swadhin, ho gaya. Nothing he could do. Next, Anish Kumar, absent. Next, Indrajit.
Yes,
Indrajit is absent. Present.
Yes, sir, present. Sir.
Indrajit, what
My
is your
topic
topic?
was strata control during deep pillaring stage in a board and pillar. And
What
right
is the
now,
latest 2020 reference? What is that you could read, you could understand what is happening internationally about your topic? That's what
yes,
is
deep
required to
pillaring
be
is
done.
a very different stage apart from the
No,
development.
you should
So
give
we
a
need to.
reference. Like, which country?
Sir,
By
I will give a case study of 2-3 Indian mines only about
what
the
is
deep
that?
pillaring stage.
What is that mine? In which international journal, national conference proceeding, where you have seen that? Your assignment should not be restricted to whatever material I am giving. That is a basis for that. And now
Yes,
you are
sir.
collecting from all whatever is there in the international scenario. So you
Right now, I was studying about what are the different
give
types
a
of.
reference and then talk about it latest. Okay, next,
Okay.
Neeraj Kumar absent. Next, Robin absent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Neeraj Kumar, sir.
What
Neeraj
is the
Kumar.
topic and what is your recent? What you have done?
Yes, sir. I'm Neeraj Kumar. My topic is the starter control problem in blasting gallery panel, sir.
Right. What is this happened and then latest in the international scenario, whatever you could collect. Can you say something about your latest things to other people here? That's what is the learning process.
Yes, sir. I have collected the data of GDK 11 mine in
That
which
is what I have provided to you. No, I want what is happening in the international scenario.
yes, sir. This mining method is
from 2020 latest reference in the world. That's what is required. That's what you people have to do.
Yes, sir. Sir, in India, this mining method is actually means not practiced only in GDK 11 mine, but DGMS is means telling that this mining method is.
You should have done lot of international journals and then other things, right? And which journal format you are preparing? I have given that option to you people so that you should not be limited, right? You should have that type of flexibility to select the best of the best journals. And that is what is Atmanirbhar Bharat is. That's what is the spirit behind our Make India whatever, right? Next, he could not do anything, Robin. Chaman. All
Sir,
this
this
being
is Robin.
recorded, it will be provided to everybody.
Sir.
Chaman.
Sir.
What
Sir,
you have
this is
done till now about
this
this
is
assignment?
Robin. Sir, my
Chaman?
topic was, sir.
Yes. You could not do anything. Chaman absent. Chakrapani Mangalyara. Next is Sambodhi Manna is absent, because we have to finish this early and then we will continue the class. Manavesh absent. Divya
Present, sir.
is present, right? What is the topic and what you have done latest in
So
your assignment?
thermal. So the topic is thermal monitoring for strata failure detection.
Thermal monitoring.
Yes, sir.
What is thermal monitoring?
Sir, like we are using different techniques to like some like LIDAR or
Very good. I appreciate your interest. Now you tell what is the latest that you could see. This is a
Sir,
knowledge that you are sharing with your friends.
yeah. I
Yes.
saw a paper named the Field Monitoring Experiment of the rope strata movement in coal mining based on DFOS. It was published in like the Mechanics and Civil Engineering Department of China University of Mining and Technology.
Nice. Very good.
Yeah.
Now next is Jagadish. It's okay. Jagadish Mahanti absent. Jagadish absent. Manish Kumar Panda absent. Prabhupad Panda absent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
You are there. Then what is the topic?
Sir, my topic was mine waste dump slope stability, sir.
Very good. What is the latest in the world you have seen?
So I have reading only one paper and I am following that. That is Wardha Valley about Mungoli open cast coal mine, sir. And
for
it
which
has
mine?
around a reserve of
What is that mine?
Mungoli, sir. Mungoli open cast coal mine.
No, that is WCL.
Yes, sir.
It is
And
by
it has
Jagdish
6.2
Janwar,
billion.
CMRS. Is it written by Jagdish Janwar or any CMRS a simple scientist?
I got it from IBM, sir.
Very good, nice. Then IBM, we have one, you note down, Deepak Prabhakar, right? He is from Indian Bureau of Mines, Nagpur. You can take his details from me. Okay, he is doing PhD related to those subjects. He is our executive PhD scholar also. Okay,
Yes,
next,
sir.
Mayank Roy, absent. Subham Raj, let us be fast. Subham Raj absent.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir. Present.
Topic. What is your topic?
Planning of, sir, strata control study program during depillating.
That's okay. What is the latest that you got in the world? What is happening in pillar
Sir, in the-
extraction in China, in US, in Australia, in Germany, in New Zealand?
Sir,
So these are the
I
things that
haven't
you have to collect. What you have collected?
Yes, sir.
till now?
I'm collecting, sir.
Then
Sir,
what
till
is
now
the
I'm
latest
just understanding your topic, sir. Till now I'm understanding your topic, sir. I'll collect later on the case
Then
studies
you have
and all.
not done anything. Next,
No, sir.
Prabhu Prasad Raut.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Yes. What is your topic and what is the latest that you did it? You try to share the information, knowledge, as I used to tell you, my beloved students. And even while teaching, I take the case studies of the present problem. That is a purpose is to understand what is happening in India, especially now, and with reference to what is happening in the world. You should learn something. That is a purpose why we selected these assignment topics of your interest. Right? I hope you appreciated at that time. Not only you people, over 10, 13 years I have been seeing where students have done wonderful assignment, and not only that, and presented in international and national journals and conferences also. These assignments, that's what was collected or prepared based on their interesting topic selected out of the syllabus. And I am there for the total semester with you, so that if you have any doubt on that assignment topic, you could have contacted me all the time, so that you can become the best of the best strata control engineer in India, if not in the world. That is a purpose. I hope you understood that. Yes, Prabhupada Raut could not do anything. Next, Deepti Ranjan Sahu, absent. Next, Pandava Sahu, absent. Malay Kumar Sethi.
Hello, sir. Present, sir. Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Topic, be quick.
Pandav present, sir.
Pandava, tell your topic and then what is the latest you could collect. That is what is the teaching learning process, the purpose of this. What is the latest? That is the way even the assignment or it is a teacher assessment, whatever you consider. That may also become like your mid-sem or end-sem marks, whatever. Right. Pandava, he could not do anything. Next. At least you tell your topic. What is the topic so that others also will know that you are doing something on this. You are 0. Next, Malay. Malay Kumar Sethi. Absent. Akshat. Absent. Saurabh Singh.
Yes, sir, Akshat.
Yes.
Akshat, yes. Yeah, you should respond with your topic and latest things. What you
Yes,
collected.
sir. My topic is short greeting, sir.
Very nice. What is the latest that you collected?
Sir, I am
good
presently working on dry one and the wet one. There are two types of short greeting.
No,
And
you
I
should
am
say
also,
those introduction parts. What is
yes, sir, I am
international?
also
Latest is happening in that topic.
yes, sir. In Canada, there is a mine, and there they are using this wet
Okay,
short greeting.
Okay, all the best. You go ahead. Next is Saurabh. Absent.
Yes, sir. Sir, present.
Then
Sir, Saurabh Singh
topic
present.
and latest.
Sir, my topic is bolting in underground mines. Sir, I have collected some of the data from Eastern Goldfield Limited about the
ECL.
bolting.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
the latest happening in the world as far as bolting is concerned? Latest in the last year, 2020.
Sir.
From any international journals or from any Google, you write, you will get a lot of things. Okay, then you also note down somewhere. Nowadays the trend is the combination bolt. Since you said bolting, combination bolt. You need not have only one material inserted into that. Okay, you should do a
Yes.
lot of things. Now next, Abhishek. Abhishek,
Present,
vice
sir.
chair.
Yes, sir.
Next, Nitesh.
Yes, sir.
Nitesh, what is the topic? Abhishek is absent, right? Nitesh.
Sir, present, sir. Hello, sir.
Then if you are present, then what you are doing? Tell
Sir,
your
pillar
topic
D.
and latest. Abhishek, what is your assignment topic and what latest you have done? This is the way how the teacher assessment is done. How attentive you are and some assignments are given to you. So what is your performance? And performance for a strata control technologist is very much required to be very attentive because the decision taken in the underground mines or open cast mines, being a manager or in charge, is going to take care of many lives of miners. Okay, so that is a habit that you should develop in to be very attentive. Now it is 10:55. You should finish it within no time now. Abhishek, he has done nothing. Next, Nitesh. Nitesh, your topic. Your topic and then what you have done. I think there is a problem of any voice. Or is there any problem of voice, Abhishek? No. Now are you able to open this, make it in the speaker phone? My voice is also not clear, it seems to them.
It's audible, sir.
No, it is. You
Sir,
are
audible,
audible.
sir. Your voice is clear.
Acha, my voice is audible now. Okay. All right. Then what? You write it here. So Abhishek will be writing his topic because there is some problem with him in the connectivity. He will be writing this. Everybody can see the topic because I wish that everybody should know what is the topic of interest in strata control technology as far as all the students are concerned in this group, in this MN 6142, and based on that only your assessment or anything is done, and based on that only you will be collecting all the information and also preparing in the international journal format as a part of the teacher assessment, or your next maybe considered as for your mid-sem or end-sem depending on our COVID-19. Yes, my beloved students, if you have any doubts, you can ask once again. Now, next, Nitesh. Nitesh absent?
Sir, my
Nitesh, be fast, because we have only 3-4 minutes left. We should finish. Otherwise, next class we should start with the remaining persons. Okay, we will start at this phase, right? In fact, I was trying to show, since we were talking about these video clips, I was also interested to show today if there was no problem about the connectivity, because this is not in our hands, my beloved students. So similarly, as far as stator control or ground control technology is concerned, there are so many things which are not in our hands, but we have to do our best with lot of safety factor even in the worst situations. Now you see, so I wanted to show you where this system of automated bolting is done, and of course in the next classes we will be doing that, and some clippings also I wanted to show you depending on the time, and some course materials already we have seen in the previous classes, my beloved students. And in that method where RACMAS rating is used, that KTK 5 mine, SS9, for which we have been designing and then doing some investigations, and where different alternative methods of stator control were designed, that's how I wanted to show you. Those things we will discuss, of course, in the next classes. Otherwise, we would have discussed today had we not have this type of connectivity problems of the MS team, and I will communicate that to our professor in charge, Professor B.D. Sahu, so that he will do some type of solution in the next classes. And here, to say something more, these are the RACMAS ratings for different scenes which were estimated, 57, 59, 63, 60 like that, in that KTK5 mine, and SCAMP report. These details, of course, we'll be discussing. But meanwhile, I give you a homework for you, and especially those people who are not basically from BTech mining, to go through this regulation 123 of Coal Mines Regulations 2017 of the Stator Control and Monitoring Plan. And these things we will discuss in the next class. And these are the part of, as I told you, and in that next class, we'll see more about this introduction to the RACMAS classifications and why that SKU system, our Nick Barton has developed in 1974, what type of background work was done at that time, and a few times I used to show some of these beautiful pictures, so that in the next classes we will go further in details into these parameters, SKU parameter ratings, which we will be discussing in details, and that we start our next class tomorrow with your CEP question what was asked for the homework, and also your left out students who could not respond today, from Nitesh, 32nd student to 51 student, and then our remaining executive PhD scholars and others. Of course, this is not mandatory for our executive PhD scholars to join in the online classes. Anyway, they are taking all these videos and then continuously observing and then interacting with me about any doubts, and then dealing with, I should appreciate their interest. They are directly dealing with so many problems of the industry at present in India, where they are working and solving many problems of the industry. And we should be very happy to know about that. And then, as we have seen, this is what was the report for this January 2021, which I am going to prepare. Of course, these are the things that we have been discussing, my beloved students. The details where the SKU classification and the RACMAS rating was used for the designs, and those things we will discuss. And let me take once again our attendance, and then if you have any doubts, and those who want to summarize, they can summarize now. And I told you already, my beloved students, any any knowledge without proper examination may not be a fruitful one, right? And that examination should be taken with pleasure. So like that, this is also summary. And in the previous semester, some of the students failed, and that names I am not telling you now. They know those who are very poor performers. Instead of giving so many times reminders to improve themselves, they could not do that. They failed in the previous semesters. I don't want my students to fail in this data control technology. Then with this, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I have taken once again the attendance also. And now who is summarizing? They can summarize it. Who is summarizing? Summarizing now. They can summarize. Otherwise, summary 0 for all. 0 for all, because this is what we do. And CEP answer, if anybody want to do, they can give the answer. And I could see here somebody has written some capsules 14, 15, whatever was there, right? I appreciate CEP answer. And but is it practicable? You think over. He has written 13, 14. I am not going to the name because he should unmute himself and tell me how many. Rohit is telling here nicely the 4, right? But this also gives you, I have given a hypothetical case, but that is the most, I should say, inefficient way of grouting. When you select a 43 millimeter diameter hole, so that is a unscientific way of grouting when you are going for resin bolting, right? The annulus thickness should not be more than around 6 or whatever, right? So that's why the diameter difference when you use 20 millimeter rod, and that should be about 32 millimeter diameter is the most optimum, right? Annulus space it will provide, and a lot of research was done by many people, including Scoble, Peck from McGill University, you note down the names, right? And then by James Kramer, EMSHA, and then by Chris Mark and group, Altonian and Big B, right? And other people from Rock Mechanics Technology, RMT, UK, and like that, there are so many people who have done CSIRO and then USBM. So all these things, including our own colleagues, friends, scientists from CIMFR and NIRM also, where PK Mandal, Rajendra Singh, Angad Kushwaha, right? Even Amlendu Sinha, who is our former colleague and former director of SIMFA, they have done a lot of work, right? Then you can simply write the names, you will get a lot of information on this. Okay, all the best and take care of COVID-19 and be prepared to get pass in whatever the exam comes. And when you can pass in understanding the subject and getting the best information available in the world, in the international scenario on the topic of your interest, which was selected as a part of your assignment, then if it is not done properly, then you will be considered as not very much useful for our mining or for our mining industries or as a strata control technologies. But I wish that you will be the best strata control technologies by the end of this semester. All the best once again. Take care of COVID-19 and to your parents. They are helping you. Don't waste your time. You help them and take help of all the technologies, all this Google, whatever is there to improve your knowledge level and be a part of your Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make India and strata control technology, new technologies to be developed by you people, by all of us. All the best once again. Now I am closing it. Now I am stopping recording. Okay. जय हिंद, जय भारत. बाद में क्या बोलना है जी? कुछ नहीं बोलना है. कुछ बोलना है? जय NIT Rourkela, right? Jay NIT Rourkela, Jay Utkal Janani, and Jay Strata Control Technology. Now I am stopping it. Be prepared to pass Strata Control Technology course with whatever the assignments given to you, submitting within the time. And if you have any doubts, ask me through phone 9938303259 or otherwise 0661 246 2611 or WhatsApp or email sjayanthu@nitrkl.ac.in. Nowadays, that limit is extended from 2 GB to 8 GB. So no problem, you can send any information also to sjayanthu@gmail.com or yahoo.com, same email ID. So that in spite of any problem which comes in the connectivity because of any type of issue, right? Still we should continue our online teaching learning process to be more useful for everybody. All the best once again. Jai Hind. I am stopping now.